Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is motion, force and work. Now, what is mean by the motion? Question arise. What is meant by motion? Motion means when we change our position from with respect to the time, that is called a motion. So motion means change of position of an object with time. When a position change, suppose a toy, a boy is playing with a toy and it changes position from one end to another end with respect to time, that means a motion. So take an example of a motion. So depending upon the time taken to cover a given distance, we can classify motion is fast or slow. अगर हमें एक गांव से दूसरे गांव, सपोज नागपुर से हमें वर्धा जाना है, तो we are going by bus or we are going by car. So the car changes its position. वर्धा पहुंचने के लिए हमें 1 घंटा लगता है. 1 घंटा 1 hour is a time to cover a 60 kilometer of difference, that is a motion. How much time required to complete a distance, that means a motion. So motion will be the fast and slow. अगर हमारी कार फास्ट है तो हम जल्दी पहुंचेंगे, टाइम कम लगेगा, है ना. अगर कार की स्पीड स्लो है तो हमें टाइम जो रिक्वायर्ड टाइम है, दैट इज more time will be required to reach a destination. So that is the depending upon the time to cover a given distance. So according to that, we can classify the motion, that is fast or slow. If you take 7 minutes, example, if you take 7 minutes to class your school playground and your friend takes only 5 minutes to cross the same playground, then your friend moves faster than you. The comparison between uski pehle friend ki, so that required 7 minutes to complete or to cross the school's ground, and you required 5 minutes to cross the same ground. Means your speed is more than your friend's speed, because the time will be taken to complete, to cover such a playground, that is very less. Okay, so a body which covers a given distance in less time, it is said to be move faster, and one which take the longer time is said to move the slow. Okay, so that is, then the motion is a physical quantity. So distance and displacement. What is meant by the distance? Distance means the length. Distance means the length of a route actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called the distance. And distance is a scalar quantity. We learn about two quantities, vector quantity as well as scalar quantity. So what is meant by the vector quantity? Vector means and scalar means, so you learn already in our previous chapter, that is measurement of physical quantity. The scalar quantity means a quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude. Alone is called a scalar quantity. For example, a value of with a unit is used express quantities such as length, breadth, area, mass, temperature, density. These are some scalar quantities. And vector quantities means the quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both the given, that is vector quantity. Here both the things are given. So displacement, velocity are vector quantity. So we have to learn about the displacement, velocity, speed in this lesson. So example, aeroplane flying at a velocity of 500 km/h towards Mumbai. Both the quantities are given in this vector quantity. So let's learn about distance and displacement. Okay. So see distance. Distance means the length of route. हम बोलते हैं ना कि एक यहाँ एक शहर का डिस्टेंस कितना है, यहाँ से मुंबई कितना दूर है, यहाँ से पुणे कितना दूर है, यहाँ से वर्धा कितना दूर है. So that means a distance. It's a irrespective moving body irrespective of the direction is called a distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. And displacement means the minimum distance traversed by moving body in one direction from the original point to reach a final point, that is called displacement. Displacement है that is the moving the minimum distance. Minimum जो distance है, कम से कम जो distance है, that a body in moving direction, one direction from the original point to reach a final point is called a displacement. So take an example of displacement. So with the help of displacement, we take an example. Ranjit house is a place A. So see here. So to learn the distance and displacement, we take an example. Example is Ranjit house is a place A. Ranjit house is a place A. Here is a Ranjit house. So see, the figure alongside shows the distance traversed by Ranjit to reach his school at D. It's a Ranjit house. Okay, so place A is Ranjit house and D is a school. D is a school. So we take from house to the school. So that Ranjit to reach his school at D, if we do not take direction into account, we find that Ranjit transferred a distance equal to, distance means A to B requires 5 meter distance, it requires 8 minutes. From B to C, distance is 700 meter, it requires 1 minute to complete. Then C to D, 300 meter distance, it requires 6 minutes. But the distance from A to D is a direct distance. Okay? यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं. So direct distance A to D, that is 1000 meter distance. So we consider AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, that equal to AD. That equal to AD is equal to AD. So in this example, the displacement is AD. Displacement is AD. What is our definition of AD? AD means, displacement means the minimum distance. It's a minimum distance. When you add this AD, that is AD is 500 plus BC 700 plus CD 300. That equals to what? That equals to 1500 meters. Okay, but here AD is given. AD is 1000 meters. If you travel AD to BC to CD, that equals to 1500. How the displacement is calculated? So it's a displacement with the minimum distance. This is the minimum distance when you go directly through this route A to D. So that displacement is 1000. It's a minimum distance transfers by moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point. So understood what is meant by the displacement? ओके यहाँ से घूम के फिर के ना जाते हुए हम डायरेक्टली यहाँ से डी तक के पहुंचेंगे, मीन्स स्कूल तक पहुंचेंगे. मीन्स इट्स अ मिनिमम डिस्टेंस, इट्स अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट, डायरेक्ट डिस्टेंस. द मिनिमम distance transversed by the moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called its displacement. Understood? Now distance means it is the distance. इतना distance यहाँ से ये distance है, यहाँ से यहाँ का distance है, यहाँ से यहाँ का distance. That is distance. Okay, children. So the AD is the minimum distance along a straight line from Ranjit's house to school. The minimum distance transverse in a particular direction along a straight line is called a displacement. Please note down this definition. Again, I am going to repeat this definition. The minimum distance transversed by a moving body in a particular direction along a straight line is called a displacement. Now, speed and velocity. So, distance and displacement over. So, speed and velocity. What is meant by a speed? Speed is a physical quantity. The physical quantity that describes how fast or slow a body is moving is speed. How fast or slow a body is moving is the speed. The speed of body is a distance that is the moving body covers in unit time. Okay, the distance that the moving body covers in unit time. The actual distance divided by time taken, that gives us the speed of the body. What is meant by the speed is equal to distance upon time. If whatever amount of distance is required in unit time, that means the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. So when we say that the speed of a car, take an example, when we say the speed of a car is 40 km per hour. 40 km per hour means in 1 hour the car covers the distance of 40 km. There is no need to specify the direction. उसमें लिए direction की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Okay, but predict whether a storm will reach a particular place or not. A mention of its direction is essential. Means कौन से direction से storm हो रहा है, कितने किलोमीटर की स्पीड से हवाएं चल रही है, at that time it is important. So here we learn about distance, displacement. So in displacement, both distance and direction are taken into account. So therefore displacement is a vector quantity. Both the terms are required in vector quantity. So in displacement, both distance and direction are taken into account. So the unit of measurement of distance and displacement is meter. So distance is in meter, displacement also is in meter. We conducted here distance 500 meter, 8 minutes, okay, 1000 meter. So distance and displacement is in the meter, in the SI as well as in MKS system of measurements. Okay, children, so that is about distance, displacement, and we learn about speed also here. Okay, now velocity. What is meant by the velocity? Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time. That the velocity of body can be calculated by following formula. That is, velocity is equal to displacement upon period of time required for the displacement, period of time for the displacement. और speed का formula है speed is equal to distance upon time and velocity is equal to displacement upon period of time required for the displacement. So this is about the velocity, speed, displacement and distance. The unit of speed or velocity is meter per second. Unit of speed or velocity that is written as meter per second. So this is about this is the diagram that you have to draw in your copy to show the distance and displacement. So velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. Now average velocity and instantaneous velocity. Velocity, average velocity and instantaneous velocity that we learn in our next video. First you see this, few more examples of speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. A speed of fast moving vehicles is usually expressed in kilometer per hour. Means हम लोग जब speed calculate करते हैं कि गाड़ी की fast speed है, train की speed है, so that is kilometer per hour. These units are interconvertible. Okay. To convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we multiply the speed by 18 upon 5 and convert kilometer per hour. So this is about a moving car or bus can travel at a higher speed when there is no traffic and slow down when there are traffic signals. Therefore, we use the concept of average speed to calculate speed. Okay, average speed means average speed to cover a distance can be obtained by dividing the total distance covered by the total time taken. So that is about speed. You know the odometer, it is a device which is installed in vehicles to measure the distance covered. हमारे गाड़ियों में ओडोमीटर और स्पीडोमीटर दोनों होते हैं, उससे हमारे गाड़ी की स्पीड और कितनी जा रही है, कितनी इसमें गाड़ी डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रैवल किया है, वो दोनों हमें दिखाई देते हैं. So children, see here. So once again, I am going to repeat about distance. Distance means the length of route actually traversed by the moving body. Then, irrespective of the direction, distance is denoted by capital D. Then displacement. Displacement means the minimum distance traversed by the moving body. The minimum distance traveled by the moving body in one direction from the original point to reach a final point is called a displacement. Okay. Then displacement is a vector quantity. Okay. Q vector quantity hai? Because in displacement, both distance and the direction are taken. Okay. Both direction and distance are calculated. Distance are taken an account. So therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. Then velocity. Velocity means is the distance. Velocity is the distance traveled by the body in a specific direction in unit time. So velocity of body can be calculated by formula is given. Velocity is equal to, so please note down this formula. To calculate velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement displacement upon period of time required for the displacement. Period of time required for the displacement. So this is the formula for displacement. Please note down this formula. And in our next video, we learn about average velocity and instantaneous velocity. Okay.